walk two batters, but he'll be out there to close this one up. Keisel, no stranger to pitching in a relief role. Did it quite a bit with BYU this past season. Started and relieved. A bit of a hybrid role. It's the first pitch of his outing. There's a swing and a miss. Dot him up for 95 on the gun. Fastest we've seen so far today. Ryan Curran can't catch up to that one. Keisel throws that one way over the head of Brady Pruitt. Just slipped out of the fingers a little bit. Swing and a miss there. Don't be surprised if you see a slider this next pitch. It's something that Keisel likes to use as a complement to his fastball. Has a hard cut and a high spin rate. The 1-2. Swing and a miss there. Decides to just load him up. 97 on the gun. Fastest we've seen out of a Rocks pitcher so far this season. He himself says he sits around 92, 95 on that fastball. Reached back just a little bit more to get that one up to 97. Sagadol steps into the box. First one can't find the zone. 1-0 count now, 1 out left in the top of the ninth. Rocks looking to get out of this one. Only one run given up. This one finds the zone, 1-1 now. Swing and a miss there. Keisel has 11 strikeouts in just 5 1/3 innings pitched. The 1-2. Can't find the zone there. Just above the dirt. Blake came running so hard it whipped the hat off. Keisel, as the BYU Cougar, teammates with Josh Cowden, looks to get out of this one. 2-2. A nice breaking ball there. We'll get the second straight out of the inning. That had Sagadol's knees locked. He was not moving for anything there. A great break at the end. That'll give him the second out of the inning and the second strikeout of the outing. Count pitch, swing and a miss. 2 strikes away from the end of this one, and the Rocks' 8th straight win and their franchise record for wins to start the season. Rocks having unprecedented success so far. Swing and a miss, 1 strike away. This one can't find the zone. The 0-2 just low and away. Keisel locks in, looks to get this one secured. The 1-2, 2 outs on the board. Keisel loads him up for one more. That one just paints the outside corner of the zone, and it won't go. The 2-2 pitch, 2 outs. Keisel, Collymore down to his last strike. Swing and a miss there.